Alright guys, check it out. I've got a package here. It's from AMX. We're going to bust this thing open. It's just a few ounces, but it's a few very special ounces. Something very cool. I think you guys are going to like it. So let's find out what's in the box, guys. Come on, let's do it. So let's see what we got in the box here from AMX. If you are a follower of mine and you've seen my previous videos, maybe you have an idea. Maybe you hang out with me live on my Wednesday shows. That's something I do every single Wednesday at 7 o'clock. But you might have an idea of what's in this box here. So let's go ahead and open this up. We got the package within a package. Let's remove that. Get this box here out of the way. And here we go. Let's see what's in here, guys. You can hear it rattling around. Take out the personal info. So obviously none of that showed there. So let's go ahead and reach in. Pull that out. There we go. And what do we got? So the first coin here, we've got a 1/10 ounce Nefertiti round. Love these little guys. These are very, very cool. Cool additions. These are coins that I like to give away on my live shows. So we got one of those. What else do we got here? Looks like we got another 1/10 ounce Nefertiti round. Very cool. Let's see what else we got here. We'll save that one. I think we should have. Alright, I guess we'll just bust these out. So we've got in here, let's see, 2018 Kookaburra. Just rip this one out of the package here because I just like this coin too much. 2018 Kookaburra. I do like this coin. This is a very nice coin, so it's always good to add these into my stack. So we've got one of those. I've also gotten here, oh boy, there it is. It's the 2018 Australian Silver Swan. That is a nice coin. I'm going to bust this one here out of the package. This coin, I decided to go with the bullion version of this. When I was buying it, I did have in my cart originally the proof version because they were coming in at $89.99, and I knew they would settle somewhere around $129. But I decided to go with the bullion version. Picked this beauty up for just a little over $35. So I've already got instant equity in this coin, and I know some of you guys, you might be saying, "Oh, that's ridiculous. The premiums on that coin are insane." And you're right. I agree with you 100%. But the other thing is, the coins are almost instant equity. If you can buy them early enough, you can get on them as soon as they're released. Typically, AMX and these other companies, they'll raise the prices of the coins, or if they sell out and then secondary market decides to raise the price of these coins. It's, for me, as an investment, it makes sense to buy coins like this. Not a lot, I only buy a few of them. I think I got another one in here. Oh, there's another Nefertiti 1/10er. We got another Swan in here, 2018 Silver Swan. So, I mean, these are very nice coins. They're definitely going to hold their value at the very least. The premiums, they don't demand too much on the 2018s. Nothing like they do on the 2017s. And that's I guess to be expected. We can't expect every single year for them to release a coin that it's just going to be like, out of this park a winner. But either way, picked up a few more 1 ounces from the Perth Mint, some of my favorite coins there. Some of the 1/10 Nefertiti rounds, which I'll be giving away to you guys. So you guys come hang out with me every single Wednesday right here at 7 p.m. Eastern. And we'll give this stuff away to you. It's a very, very cool time. But that's it, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, you want to see more unboxings, comment down below. What coins are you guys most excited for this year? What do you want to see me unbox next? Let me know in the comments below. But that's it for me, guys. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, everybody.